Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures for your headphones Marshall Major. So let's starting. To play and pause the song you should press Ctrl button one time. So I press one time and I play the song. I press again and I pause the song. To increase the volume, push Ctrl button upward. And again. Okay, maybe I should play the song. So push upward and again, and it's working. To lower the volume, push the Ctrl button downward. Here we go, and again, and it's working. To play next track, push the Ctrl button to the right. Here we go. And to play previous song, push the Ctrl button to the left. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!